Okay guys, so for this video, we will draw and color the character Patrickstar. Patrickstar is a popular character from the animated TV show SpongeBob SquarePants. He is SpongeBob's best friend and lives under a rock and Bikini Bottom. Known for his laid-back attitude and less than brilliant ideas, Patrick often provides comic relief with his clueless and sometimes absurd behavior. Despite his simplicity, he's a loyal and good-hearted friend to SpongeBob. And we're done. See you in our next video.